This is an emergency alert weather system. We have seen terrible dark clouds passing your area. We don't know what it means and what weather is going to happen. We don't have enough information to tell you. We will be back for information. This is an emergency from the weather service. We have seen the calculations that there will be a very strong hailstorm. If you stay in a house, the strong hail will destroy the house. Make sure you go to the nearest shelter. You have 5 minutes. This is an emergency weather system. At this time the strong hail is now starting. If you didn't get to the shelter in time, you're too late. Strong hail will kill you due to the speed. So if you haven't got to the shelter, pray for your loved ones and die with honor, dignity and respect. If you have children, you must keep them calm. This is an emergency weather system. At this time, people from shelter are all clear this time. Thank you for getting to the shelter in time. 120,000 people lost their lives on this terrible hailstorm. Thank you for applying the rules and weather system/service. Signing off.